Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code It. In this video, we are going to see how to do SEO of Shopify website. So basically, how to increase the ranking of Shopify website on any search engine like Google, Bing or any other. Before starting with the tutorial, if you are new to our channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to our new videos. Without wasting much time, let's start with the tutorial. Let's first understand why search engine optimization, also known as SEO, is important for any website. A website which has proper SEO will always rank higher in the search results on the search engine like Google. So, whenever a customer searches for a specific keyword which is related to your Shopify store, then your store must be ranked higher on the search engine. So, in other words, SEO helps in generating traffic on your Shopify website. So now let's see how do we do that. First, we need to have proper information for the website. Like you need to go under online store, then preferences. Over here, if you see the homepage title, homepage meta description is empty. So this must be filled by you. So I'll give the homepage title as my website name, like code it. Then the homepage meta description. This is online shopping website. So guys, ensure that you enter this homepage title and homepage meta description. It plays a vital role in search engine optimization of your website. So this is a compulsory step to have homepage title and homepage meta description. Then you have the social sharing image. This is the image of your logo of the website. So upload the image over here. So whenever any customer shares your website link, then your logo will be shown. So I'll add the image. Also please note that recommended size is 1200 into 628 pixels. We then have Google Analytics. Google Analytics helps in tracking the activities on your website. So whatever activities a customer does on your Shopify store, Google Analytics tracks those activities and shows you in the form of data like the number of users, number of visits, number of unique visitors in the bar graph or pie chart form. So you need to enter the Google Analytics code over here. In my other upcoming videos, I'll show you how to link Google Analytics with your Shopify store. We then have Facebook pixels. Same like Google Analytics, Facebook Facebook too have a tracking website. Facebook too have a tracking functionality. You can just click on set up Facebook. So by doing this, Facebook is going to track the activities on your Shopify websites. Like same like Google Analytics, whatever customer does on your Shopify website, all those activities are going to be tracked. So guys, this is the important process to have Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel linked to your Shopify store. And once you enter all this information, what I have told you, you need to click on Save button over here on the top right corner. So this is the first most important step that your Shopify store must have. Now we'll see how to optimize the products that are there on a Shopify store. So go to products. Now select the product that you want to optimize for search engine. Now if you see there are variety of information over here. Like you might have given the title, the description, then the media, then your variants, So guys, all this information helps in search engine optimization. So the search engine will look for the product title, then the product description. Also, we have the tags. Tags also helps in search engine optimization of the website. On the product page itself, you have an option called search engine listing. So guys, right at the bottom, if you see, you can see the product name, then you can see the product URL, and at the bottom, you can see the description of the product. So guys, this is how the product is going to look on the search engine result, like on Google, for example. You can change the look by clicking on edit. So you can change the product title, like I can give 100, like say 50% off. So this is how it is going to look on Google search results. So when a customer sees this, the chances are that he might click because you have 50% off over here mentioned on the search engine results. Then you have the meta description. So you can change this also over here. Meta description also plays a vital role in search engine optimization of the website. So ensure that you have a proper meta description. So guys, please note that I will say that you must have at least 160 characters of meta description. Then you have the URL handle. So how the URL handle of the product is. So already I have told you how to change this product URL in my previous videos. So once this is done, you can click on save. So guys, till now you have learned how to optimize the home page for search engine optimization and how to optimize the product page for search engine optimization. Another important factor for search engine optimization is having alternate text for the images that are there on your Shopify store or basically on any website. So for that, if a since the product are having images over here, we need to have the alternate text. So I'll click on this particular image. Then we have add alt text. So by clicking on this, we are going to get an option to add the alternate text. So I'll say blue t-shirt. So guys, when a product image or any kind of image has this alternate text entered, this will help in ranking the particular image in the search results. So whenever a customer searches anything like a blue color t-shirt, so then the blue color t-shirt which is there on the Shopify store of mine will get ranked on the Google search results. Similarly, for your products also, whatever alternate text you add for the images, and when the customer searches for that particular relevant keyword, then the product image or any kind of image that you have will get ranked in the result. So now let me click on Save Alt Text. I'll click on Close. So guys, these are some of the most important factors that you should consider for search engine optimization of any website or the Shopify website. So that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning search engine optimization of Shopify website. To get more videos like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notifications related to our new videos. Also, please like and share this video. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.